Hey, just kind of want to do a quick demo on the black Revan hilt that I've just finished. So externally it's pretty much the same as the other black Revan hilt that I sold you. We've got our red main switch over here and a black tactile auxiliary switch back here. And then for the emitter up here, we have the silver cone blade plug, which is flush against the emitter. And then we also swapped out the pommel, the pure black pommel, for one with the black with the silver accents around it. So to access the internals, just unscrew the grip, like so. You have your glitter black chassis over here. Got your Proffieboard, 18650 battery, as well as the 24mm bass speaker. So this one's a Key Power 18650, protected button top with 3000 milliamp hours. And it's a 15 amp discharge, good for Neopixel. On the side over here, we have our kill switch. So currently it's in the on position, and then if you flick it downwards, it's off. Yeah, that scares me a little bit every single time. So let's turn on Saber. So I'm going to show off with my test, kind of like a short Neopixel test blade. So unscrewing one set screw here. So for the set screws, I'm going to be Loctiting in all 4 of them, but you really only need 2 of them on one side. Because if you screw all 4 of them in, it's actually less secure than screwing in 2 from the same side, or even just screwing in 1. So for now, I'm just going to have 1 screw in. Oh. Also, we have our illuminated Neopixel connector up here, and it has an extra pin for blade detection. So blade detection is when you insert the blade in, and is able to detect, and that's the disconnection sound, and is able to detect that there's a blade in. So I'm turning it on. This one. Flash.
General Kenobi.
Just gonna cycle through the fonts.
Tell me, is this training?
Cal Kestis.
Remember, a Jedi can feel the Force.
Kenobi. I am told it is the Darth Saber.
You are fighting against the black.
I think of.
Never lose your temper.
You seem a little... Anakin.
Just kind of just cycling through all the fonts. Changing that back to blue. Let's go with the Dodge blue. So let me just plug in your 32-inch blade, just to show that it works. So here's your 32-inch blade, if it shows on the camera, there we go. Here's your 32-inch, it's still kind of wrapped in there. You've got your PCB over here. So now let me just put it into the hilts. There. Oops. So to remove the battery, just unscrew the grip like that. I'm going to turn the kill switch off. And just take the battery out, like that. To insert it back, we want the flat side of the battery towards the negative spring side. It's also marked here. And then we have the button top over here against the somewhat flat side of the battery holder, which is also marked with positive over there. So we have 2 of the blade plugs I'm going to be sending. So here's one of the silicone blade plugs, and then here's another one still in the bag. And then since we wanted a staff for the two black Revan hilts, we have a male-to-male coupler over here. So let me just quickly show how to put it on. So just unscrew the pommel, and then just screw the coupler in. And similarly, for your other Revan hilt, just screw it in on this side. So with the coupler, the two hilts, once they're coupled together, they may not actually line up perfectly with the buttons aligned. So you may need to print a spacer. I would suggest something maybe like a 28mm or so outer diameter with 26-ish inner diameter. Just play around with the different thicknesses of the spacer to get it aligned. So that is your second black Revan hilt. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm also going to be doing some final configurations, namely like the pixel length adjustments, and also including the config onto the card. You don't need to use the exact same config. If you already have one, it's just it allows you to kind of use the fonts already on the saber at the moment. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll get this shipped out to you as soon as possible. Thank you.